Not that thick though. Got the embroidered work on the front. Chest piece. The back is my favorite part. Yeah. Whoo. Look at this piece, man. Fire, man. Fire. What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. Got my Jet Live Currency Trilogy, Pilot Talk Trilogy t-shirt on. You know what it is. But let's get into the video. We got our Supreme Lamborghini collab t-shirt and also the jacket. We got that in. Look at it. Look at the embroidered work on the back. Ooh. Dang. Dang. It's good, y'all. It's good. It's good. It's good. But let's get into it. We got a medium with a Lamborghini t-shirt. It just came in today. Took a little bit to get here, but it's finally here. We're gonna do the unboxing together. It's my first time looking at it, so we're gonna see it together. Hold on. Let's see. Got the tag, 48 bucks retail. If it can focus. Got the Supreme tag on it. Got the Lamborghini little logo on the back right there. If it focuses. Focus. Yeah, fuck it. But anyways, got the Supreme tag right there. Let's look at the back. Dang. It's clean. If y'all slip on it, man, I feel bad, man. That shit's clean. So this is what it looks like on the back. Supreme logo right there. Man, the jacket is my favorite part though. The jacket, nobody's really did a review, or not did a review, but did an unboxing on the jacket. Yeah, this is what the black one looks like. Got the tag right there. Let's unzip it a little bit. So you got like a windbreaker type material inside. It's not that thick, it's a little puffy. Not that thick though. Got the embroidered work on the front. Chest piece. Got it on the back. The back is my favorite part. The embroidered work is fire. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that right here. The bull. Look at the details in the bull. Sheesh. Look at that. It's fire, y'all. Fire, fire, fire. Yup. It's kind of like a diamond stitch, quilted kind of stitching going on. Some kind of diamond stitched thing going on. Quality's pretty good. This pretty much just hangs up in my room, right above the TV. It's for sure a collector's piece. For sure, this is not something you just quickly flip, at least not in my opinion. It's something I'm holding on to. For sure, the jacket, something I'm gonna wear every once in a while, but the t-shirt's something I can wear more often. But, right there. Oh, if it can. So, the jacket, let's put it on. Y'all can see what we're working with. The jacket's wet though, I ain't gonna lie. Got the chest piece, woo! Look at the back, look how it looks on the back, man. Y'all gonna mess with this. Look at that. Yeah. Whoo. Look at this piece, man. Fire, man. Fire. Whoo. For sure. Yup. Got the chest piece. Got the back piece. Yeah, we solid as a rock, man. Man, if y'all didn't cop, man, you should have. The green one, I was trying to get two. Man, the green one sold out pretty quickly, and the black one sold out quickly after, so I copped the black. I was trying to get all of them, but I couldn't get all. I couldn't be greedy on that one. Definitely couldn't be greedy. But we got the black one. Now, let's try on the t-shirt real quick. It feels really good. T-shirt feels amazing. Got the piece right here, got the Supreme little screen print right here. Got the screen print on the back right here too. Not bad, not bad. You guys can see. Let's get down a little bit so y'all can see what we're messing with. But dang, it's fire. Not bad, not bad. Got the little screen print right here. Got the nice screen print on the back. It's a little bit more of like a goldish brownish color, but I mean, you don't really notice that until you start looking very, very close. But for the most part, y'all get the idea. Fire screen print. It is kind of a basic tee, but you know what I'm saying? It is Lamborghini, so that screen print on the back is gonna pop for sure. So don't get it twisted if y'all was thinking, you know what I'm saying, they didn't outdo themselves, but it's for sure gonna pop. When people see the back, they're gonna be like, damn, he worked for Lamborghini, or he got, oh, that Lamborghini outside, oh, that's his, oh, that's his. Now, I currently don't have a Lamborghini, but we will. Just, you gotta believe it here before it actually appears, you know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't on that, then I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, let's actually put the jacket on with it. Let's see what it looks like with the jacket on. Let's see what it looks like with the jacket on. This is like one of those things you gotta wear together maybe, so when you take off the jacket, people know. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he don't just got the jacket, he got the t-shirt too. Woo, look at this. Let me get down for y'all so y'all see the quality in that mug. It's wet, man. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. It's fire. It's fire. Got the Supreme on the back right here too. Look at that, man. So y'all see, man. See it's full. Get a full understanding, man. To me, best collab. My personal opinion, man. I'm a diehard Lamborghini guy. What can I tell you, man? I had to cop. I don't even buy some. I'm not even like a big hype beast Supreme guy, but when I saw this collab, I said, oh yeah, oh yeah. I have to, man, I have to. But that's just showing y'all a little bit of my Supreme Lamborghini collab. I know I haven't seen a video like this on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one. I'm gonna be getting some more stuff pretty soon, so not Lamborghini stuff, but just a little bit more Supreme stuff, add to my collection at least, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting from here, gotta have a starting point, so for sure. I got more videos coming up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the videos or subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming up. This is an automotive channel. I know I'm doing a little bit of fashion stuff right now, designer stuff, but I got more content coming. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below. If y'all like this collab, to me, this personally was a pretty fire collab, so I had to. I've been a diehard Lamborghini guy since day one, so I had to get this. But like I was saying, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.